welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Angelina Ansa, and I'm back with another video. Yes, I'm back with another video. If you're new here, I want to say Akwaba welcome. I'm your girl Angelina Ansa. In today's video, I'll be installing my hair for the second time on my channel. So guys, if you haven't watched my previous video installing my hair for the first time on my channel, make sure to go watch it. I might put it one here over this side. Yeah, and also guys, if you want to know how I achieve this look, let me see, let me put a picture right here. I'm gonna put a picture right here, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, let's jump into the video. Okay, yeah, so I know I've never taken you guys for a towel. This is my guest room. I came here to clean up. Yeah, because I had a visit. Should I say a visitor? So I came here to clean up. And I was like, you know what, let me vlog. Let me show you guys this. Like, yeah, so I got this one. This is my second time getting from away from this brand, and I love the way their packaging, everything is. If you've watched my New Year resolution first video for 2022, the orange wig I was wearing, yeah, I got it from them, and I love it. I love the texture. I love the way it makes me feel.
Hey, no, see, I don't mean when you pay Jimmy or don't when you pay Jimmy.
Their gifts they have, it is amazing. I love their gifts. This time it came with a brush and everything. Let me show you guys. This is how the wig look like right now. This is how the wig, I actually brushed out with their comb. It was supposed to be curly. When I got it, it was so curly. Look, you can actually see it, but I actually brushed this one out because I'm going to wash it. It has a little smell, so I'm going to wash it. Tomorrow I have a YouTube video to shoot, and my intention is to take this wig with me. Like, I got the gift packaging, I got this, I got the whole like comb. So I'm done with the review. I'm going to fast forward with this. I'm just gonna take you guys through how I'm gonna wash this wig and install it. Okay, this is my first time installing a wig like this. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share. This is the wig, this is the shampoo I'll be using to wash my wig, and this is my wig. So all the time I make sure I wet it, the ones I get. Have you seen how dirty it is? Let me pull this camera closer for you guys to see what I'm actually talking about. Less in this one, you see it's in. So most of the time I do advise that anytime you get a wig, you need to wash it, because you don't even know where the wig is coming from. The same thing applies to clothes. Anytime you buy a clothes, it says wash it. Even though it's coming from Shein, it's coming from Fashion Nova, maybe it's coming from my store, you don't know where it has been into. It says wash it. Hey yo, oh my god, let me position myself, like, yeah. Okay, so right now I'm gonna put on my wig. Actually, here is the wig, guys. Here's it. After I washed it and everything, that was last night, right? And yeah, I decided to do it this morning before I jump into wherever I'm going. You know, I told you guys I'm gonna shoot a video with friends, so yeah, I decided to put on this wig before. And I'm not actually gonna custom this thing or whatever it's called. I really even don't know how to do certain things when it comes to wig, so I'm just gonna put this one up, wipe my ends with alcohol, then I'll start doing the process. Okay, so guys, watch me how to do this, because I'm not a beauty, like, I'm not into beauty. I don't know how to do tutorials. All what I know how to do is to vlog, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So guys, after this video, make sure to go watch the next video. So yeah, I have everything set here. I have my whole microphone here, which it doesn't belongs to me. I'm sure you guys will be asking what I am. Like, guys, I am in my office. Actually, let me say Nana/me office. I have everything here, which I'm going to start doing. I have my mirror here, so most of the time you're gonna see me looking in through the side doing my hair. So yeah, I have my
swear I won't forget
wipes
this.
here,
Why
which I'm
do I
gonna put my
regret this? In my
alcohol on
mind
it to wipe
reckless, thoughts are feeling endless.
edges,
Sitting up,
okay?
I'm breathless, anxiety's
So that's
infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate
Let's do
being
this
open,
together.
I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Marcel, where you know? Like, I need tutorials. Oh shit. What do you think? What you all think? What you all think? Like, guys, let me know what you think. Like, did I do a good job? I think I'm done. Like, I think I'm done. Bro, guys, you think that I didn't suffer for this? I actually did. I did suffer for this. Because I'm January shape. And then, like, bro, like, boy, career.